Hello, today I'm going to show you slicers as a way to be filters. These are fantastic ways to allow controls for user experience for a dashboard, and they're great. If you don't know where we are, just open up any card, go to Edit and Analyzer, and what we're going to do is under chart types on the top right, you're going to see popular charts. Here you have slicer, but there's another way to go. You can click popular charts, you can go to filters, and under filters, you'll see all the different type of filter things that we have here, like drop downs, check boxes, other things like that. We're going to pick slicer. This is super, super easy. All we're going to do is we're going to take our value that we want. And in my case, I have something called portfolio companies, that are the names. And you're going to put it into these sections. Under items, that's the first one you need. This group by. What this does is this kind of aggregates it to the count. It's just a way, so if you have too many items, they're grouped together. We're going to put it into sorting because we want it to be alphabetical. It's just a better user experience than if it was all over the place. And we're going to put it in filters. I usually do this if I have a blank value because I do not want that to show right here. Okay, so unlike a checkbox, which is just a little box, or a dropdown, which you pick, slicers, they just show you the full values right away. Now, I personally like dropdowns more because I can just hide everything and only have a user select what I want them to see. But slicers are good to have instant access to a filter. Where it's not good is, imagine if you had all the countries in the world. Actually, I could do it for you. If I were to take country, I put it right here. Yeah, that's how it's going to look. It's going to be so many. And this is why I don't really use slicers a lot, and I will choose to use the drop down instead. But if you wanted to, go for it. Have fun with it. All right, that's a very, very quick intro into slicers. Hey, and if you thought that was cool, I got a surprise for you. So if you don't know what I do, I teach people how to get very, very good at Domo, and I have an online course. So if you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get a trial of my course. And here I have a specific course called 201, where I go over all the ETL functions and all the chart types, just like what we just talked about. And this way you can see how I do it. You can practice. The whole point of the course is they're made of 5-10 minute videos, little bite-sized chunks. So you could watch me and do it during break, before work, after work. You can binge it. You could do whatever you want. But the method is you watch me do it, then you do it. And we're going to go back and forth like that. And that's how you're going to learn. You get your hands dirty. Hands-on experience is the Dashboard Dudes method. In addition to this course, you get access to actually all of my other courses. That means you get Domo 101, 201, 301, 401, bricks, data science stuff, App Studio, distribution, whatnot. You also get 30 minutes with me free every single month. You can ask me a question if you want to, and you get access to my video FAQ. So if you have a question about how to do something, chances are I might have made a video on how to answer already. You have access to that, and you get my emails that only come in once a month. I'm just showing you the latest and greatest with Domo or Data World, and it's just to keep you up to date. Cool. Give it a shot. Check out the trial, and I hope it helps you.